So here is the new Panasonic AG CX350. Let's open it up and see what we have here. This came from Adorama. I often purchase from B&H as well. This happened to come from Adorama this time. If you purchase from Adorama, this will require a signature when UPS brings it to you, because it's expensive enough that it requires that. So it has an outer box. It's a Panasonic outer box, it appears. So let's get that out. And this one appears to be a little bit open. Part of it is open. Must have just gotten split when it in there. It was put in the big box because it's not open all the way. No worries. Let's see what we have. So our top shelf, it looks like, has the accessories. That looks like the camera underneath, so let's put that in there. And let's open our accessories box. We have some paperwork. And here we go. So there's a dual charger. Here's power supply. This looks like the battery. That is a battery. I have ordered a second battery that is on its way, so that I will always have two. This is a carrying strap, I believe. Not sure if I will use it that way. Here's the other part, the AC cord, North American AC cord for that. Here is the microphone holder and the iCup, eyepiece. Let's take a look at what we're here to look at. Make a note, this camera does not come with a small shotgun microphone. Not included. Here is what we're after. How is it bagged? Bagged on the top. There she is. All right. And there it is. I'm not going to go through all the features because you can find that elsewhere, but I thought you might like to see how it arrives. And there it is. I made a note that the microphone was not included, and so I have purchased the Asden SGM PD2. It seemed to be the right price point. I also have the one that came with my Sony, so I'm going to test them both and see what I like. But wanted to have one for each. Also not included with this camera is, in the accessories, there is not the SD cards that you will need. This is an SD card camera. This is what I purchased. There are lots of choices. Please take a look at the information online, because depending on what you intend to shoot, you will need a certain type of card. And I chose, it'll use up to a V90. These are V60s, but it'll use up to the new V90. So there are those. And something else that I think is important whenever you have a camera is to protect the lens. And this is a clear filter from B&W, and it doesn't reduce the light. It simply screws on the front to protect your lens. And that is an important thing. You want to keep that lens protected. So there you go. There is the Panasonic AG CX350 camcorder and accessories, and a couple more accessories that I purchased for it. That's how I put mine together, and hopefully that is helpful to you. I thought about setting up some kind of fancy table and lighting it nicely, but to be honest, I was too excited to get this open and get my hands on it and do some shooting. So just set up here on the floor on the carpet today. Thanks. Have a good one.